So if you live in Delaware, get ready for new restrictions. The new rules mean indoor gatherings at homes in Delaware can have no more than 10 people. The limit outdoors is now capped at 50 people. And restaurants are limited to 30% capacity. And as you can imagine, some restaurant owners say that change is devastating to them and unfair. NBC10 Delaware reporter Tim Furlong has more.
Day one of heightened Delaware dining restrictions, and Klondike Kate's is making the best of it, turning their popular Newark pub into a Christmas wonderland. The owner will try anything to survive what should have been a great time of the year for him.
December is a big month for holiday parties, people getting together, and it usually carries us, our staff especially, through January and February. As
of 8 a.m. Monday, an almost unenforceable 10-person limit on in-home gatherings went into effect in Delaware, but restaurants are really taking it on the chin.
I kind of feel like we've been targeted in a sense.
They see people crowding into grocery stores and wonder why they can't stay at their current capacity level, especially considering the endless precautions they've taken since the start of the pandemic. They also believe making restaurants out to be scary places drives people to house parties that have proven to be far more risky in terms of the virus. Restaurants argue they should be treated like any other retail establishment in the state, but the state would say, unlike retail establishments, stores, people go into a restaurant and inherently they take off their mask at some point. And by the way, both sides agree there has been no evidence that COVID has been spread in Delaware restaurants. West on Main Street, Cafe Gelato has also taken lots of steps to keep diners safe.
We put a lot of dividers up, so we have these French doors that we've painted, and we're dividing out between seats, and we have 6 feet between tables.
The owner here says he'd like to see the state give a hard timeline on the restrictions and be willing to get through Thanksgiving and take a fresh, fair look at restaurants and the role they did or did not play in the number of COVID cases.
We want to be back open at 50 or 60% as soon as possible, and I'm hoping that that's like a December 1st.
In Newark, Tim Furlong, NBC10 News.